Welcome to this short demonstration video on making a secure remote access connection with the BlastShield client. Your BlastShield administrator will send you a user registration link. Click through to begin the process. There, you'll receive a prompt to download our smartphone app, the BlastShield Authenticator. And once the app installation completes, click Continue. Using the app, scan the QR code presented in the browser window to accept your user invitation. Now that your user is registered, we install the BlastShield client to connect. You may install it on as many computers, tablets, and devices as you'll need. To connect to your BlastShield network, open the client and select your authentication type. This video uses BlastShield authentication, but your system may use a different form of single sign-on. The client will prompt you to choose your network. Note that some organizations may have several, but most users will only see a single choice. Finally, complete the multi-factor method prompted by your smartphone. And that's it. You're connected securely through BlastShield.